Welcome back to another video. Go ahead and engage your e-brake, jack up your car, place it on jack stands, and remove the wheel. Yep, so we've got to replace the shocks. The back end is making noise whenever it goes over bumps. Finally grab a 21mm socket on a breaker bar and break loose that bottom nut. You then need to grab a wrench on the back of that bolt to prevent it from spinning freely. But don't remove it all the way, we're just loosening up the bolt. Go ahead and grab a plastic panel clip remover, and I'll have all the products I use in this video linked down below for your convenience. And remove all the panel clips. Shoot it across the driveway. And let's break loose the top bolt. In order to get the socket on the back nut, it is kind of like shooting in the dark. You can't really see what's going on there, so you can only go by feel. So take your time, be patient. You'll need another breaker bar or a wrench with a few extensions. All right, so go ahead and remove that bolt fully. Come on. Don't just push it willy-nilly because it'll fall in a crack. That's kind of hard to get it out. Now let's fully remove the bottom bolts. And of course you need the wrench on the back of that bolt and just push it out. And this is a prime example of why the back end was making noise. And here's the new shock. I'm not too happy with this shock, so I'll link a better shock down below. Go ahead and install the sleeve. Use zip ties to keep it on there. Remove that trim bolt so you have more access to the bolt on top. And if you really want to make your life a whole lot easier, what I should have done is remove the whole black wheel well trim. Install that bolt with the shock in place. You could use a crowbar or a jack to get this bottom end in place, but I simply muscled it up and install that bottom bolt. Tying it to spec, I simply tightened it to where I felt comfortable, and do the same to the top bolt. Go ahead and reinstall all the plastic, install the wheel. And if you want to continue to follow along with this Tahoe, all my project videos will be on another channel called Builds United, and I'll link that down below. I don't have an exact plan for the Tahoe just yet, so maybe y'all can help me out. Always appreciate and respect one another. Hope y'all have a great day.